guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here today. I am going to share with you a thing for improving English. Okay, because when we are alone at home, how could we learn English? Okay, because that times we don't have any partner for speaking with us, so that times is very difficult for us. Okay, so for improving English, because I have one thing for improving. Okay, so that thing is a have practice. Okay, practice is very important for improving English, because everything, without practice we can't learn anything. Because when we want to drive the car, but I don't know how to the drive. But without practice we can't drive the car. So exactly the same thing, without practice we can't speak English. Okay, so because now I have one problem. How could we learn English when we are alone at home? Okay, so because you should speak with yourself. Speak with yourself, speak in front of mirror. So because you should hard work a lot, because without practice we can't. Okay, so because I have one thing for improving English, because that thing is a fake story. Okay, because you can create a fake story inwardly. So as because I am telling to you how could we create a fake story. Okay, now I am telling a demo how could we create a fake story. Okay, because I am telling my my friends, another friends, because yesterday I was sitting in my room, and then suddenly I thought in my mind, because I should go to my friend's house, and then because then suddenly I decided to go my friend's house. Okay, and then I asked to my mom, because I want to my friend's home. Okay, so my mom agreed that time. Mom said to me, you can go. And after that I got ready, and I went to my friend's house. Okay, and then I was going to my friend's house, and one boy came over there, and that boy hit me. And I stopped there, and I asked, why are you hitting me? And that why not, because it's not my fault, because by mistake I think I hit you. Okay, so something like this. So that boys so that boy said to me, sorry for this, because it's not my fault. So something like this, saying something, something like this, that boy ran from there. Okay, so and after that I got relieved, and again I was going to my friend's house, and then knocked the I reached my friend's house, and I knocked the my friend's door, and my friends opened the door, and Rajni, please come in. Hi, how are you? Yeah, I am doing well, and what about you? So something like this, I entered the my friend's house, and my friend said to me, please have a seat, and I sat in the chair. Okay, and we started talking each other. So suddenly my friend's mom came there, and then, hello Rajni, hi, how are you? Yeah, auntie, I am doing well. And so something like this, auntie went to the kitchen, and then auntie started making tea for us. Okay, and then then we started talking each other again. Okay, so then suddenly auntie came over there, and auntie served the tea, because auntie was making the tea, and made that tea. So auntie served that tea, me and my friends, and I and me drank the tea, and then suddenly I remind, because I have to go. So then I said to my friends, because I have to go, so then saying something like this, I left from there, and so this is a fake story. You can create something like this inwardly. So this is a good way for improving English. If you are alone at your home, okay, you don't have any partner, so you can use something like this, okay. So because this times I am going to end the video. If you like my videos, so please do subscribe, like and comment my videos. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.